Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafa and I'm here with my member group Prestu and Anissa. In this presentation, we would like to explain our field project for educational technology. The title of our presentation is Implementation of Educational Technology in Elementary School. In this project, we observed an English class in an elementary school and analyzed how educational technology can help improve learning process. Okay, next slide, school context and observation. The observed is SD Kartika. The observation was conducted in 5th grade and the subject is English. The material tube was part of our body that worked together. Staff was part semester 2. For classroom facilitate, the classroom is in good condition overall. A projector is available, which is a good support for learning. However, there are some problems. The whiteboard is damaged and scarred, so the projector image is not clear. There is also no projector screen, which makes it harder for students to see the material clearly. At the beginning of the lesson, students mostly use textbook and the learning process tended to be less interactive. Next slide, classroom situation. Based on our observation, the classroom situation was sometimes non-conducive. Some students often went in out in the classroom, which described the learning process. During question and answer session, many students were passive. They felt shy or afraid to answer questions in front of the class. As a result, only a few students actively participated, while the others just listened quietly. Next slide need analysis. From the observation, we found several learning problems. First, students easily lost focus during the lesson. Second, there was low participation in class discussion. Third, students were reluctant to answer questions. And the last, the learning media use was engaging. Based on these problems, students need visual learning support, interactive activities, and fun games-based learning. This learning needs show that students require more engaging media to help them stay focused on confidence. Okay, next slide. Why educational technology is needed? Educational technology is needed because it can make learning more interesting. It helps increase student motivation to learning. Through visual media such as pictures, videos, or animation, students can understand the material more easily. Educational technology also encourage active participation, especially for students who are shy to speak. In conclusion, educational technology can create a more interactive, fun, and effective learning environment for elementary school students.
In these lessons, we as teachers used to mine educational technology tools, which are Canva and Wordwall. These tools were selected to support the learning process and make the class more interactive, not only focus on textbooks. Canva was used to present the learning material in a visual and interactive way. Instead of explaining only by speaking, we used slides with pictures and simple explanations. Meanwhile, Wordwall was used at the end of the lessons for quiz activities. So these tools help us both in delivering the material and checking a student understanding in a fun and engaging way. Next is a reason for choosing the technology. We choose Canva because visual learning is very important for elementary school students. At their age, students understand better when they see pictures and colors. Canva helps us show clear image of body parts and how they work together, so the material become easier to understand. And then we choose Wordwall because it is game-based and very engaging. Usually, students feel nervous or shy when answering questions directly, but with Wordwall, they feel like they are playing a game. This reduces their fear and increases their motivation to participate actively in a class. Okay, for the next slide is teaching practice. In the teaching practice, the lesson started with greetings the students and introducing the topic about part of our body that work together. To make students more engaged, we also ask a few simple questions related to their daily activities. For example, which body parts they use when running or eating. And after that, we explain the material using Canva slides. Canva was used to display pictures of body parts and their functions. The visual slide helps students understand the explanation more clearly because they could directly see the image, not only hear the explanations. Some students were also asked to mention body parts they already knew, so the learning become more interactive. After the explanation sessions, we continue with a quiz activity using Wordwell. Students come to the front of the class to answer questions shown on the screen. The question included pictures and clues, which made them easier and more interesting. Because it looked like games, students feel more excited and confident. Many students raised their hands and even completed to come forward, so the classroom atmosphere became more active and lively. For the next slide is role of teachers and students. In these lessons, our role as teacher was to guide the learning process. We explained the material, operated the Canvas slide, and guided students during the wordwall quiz. The student role was to pay attention, listen to the explanation, and participate actively. During the wordwall activity, many students show high enthusiasm and confidence. This show that technology helped increase student participations and made learning more enjoyable.
Okay, so I will the present for the presentation, result, and evaluation. Based on our observation during the teaching process at school, we conclude that there has been an improvement in student responses to learning with positive results, such as the first students are more confident when answering questions or quiz. Second, students are easier to manage and more interested when practicing in the learning. And third, student confident to answer word question. And then before the learning activities were carried out, students appeared passive and say who when asked to participate. However, after learning was carried out using interactive media, students become more active, courage, and motivated when participating in learning. Thus, a significant change in student was seen after the application of learning media compared to before its application. Next is strengths and weakness. I will explain. Uh, when learning is implemented, There are several strengths for students. For strengths, the first, the use of interactive media helps students understand the learning material well. Second, learning becomes more enjoyable so that students do not feel bored. And third, students become easier to manage when answering word quiz question. And four, student participation in learning increase significantly. In addition to this advantage, there are obstacles encouraged during learning, such as the first projector display is not optimal due to poorly prepared cables. Second, dirty whiteboard, scratchable, and sunlight are obstacles. And then the impact on student. Based on our observation, learning using interactive media has a positive impact on students because they are easier to manage and remain focused during in the learning process. Although there are some obstacles, material about body parts help students understand more easily because it is explained using visual media and interactive activities. In addition, students become more active and dare to ask questions about material they do not understand. In the media, they no longer feel afraid when asked to answer. In the learning atmosphere become more enjoyable and less stressful during the learning process. And reflection during learning process has several effective aspects, such as the use of visual media and Canva to help teacher explain material in comprehensive, clear, and interesting way. By using WordWall, we can increase student active and engagement in the learning process. However, there are several obstacles that need to be considered, such as the classroom conditions that are often is supportive and blackboard, which can interfere with the smooth use of projector. And thus, the explain is suggestion for improvement. From our reflection on teaching, suggestion for improvement include the need to repair the blackboard, and teachers are advised to develop and use interactive learning media so that the learning process becomes the learning process become more active even though it's not all teacher use it. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum.